Lucas walks into the empty ice cream shop, a sinking feeling in his chest. Where did it go? Missing shop. Lucas rummages through the shop, finding a hidden passage. A dusty book catches his eye. It's an ancient ice cream recipe. Hidden clues. Lucas faces Mr. Montgomery, suspicion in his eyes. Their conversation grows tense, secrets lurking beneath the surface. Confrontation. Lucas deciphers the ancient recipe, its true value now clear. With determination, he vows to protect it at all costs. Race against time. Lucas uncovers the mastermind behind the ice cream conspiracy. Detective Anderson, his trusted mentor. Betrayal hangs heavy in the air. Twist revealed. Lucas confronts Detective Anderson, their bond shattered. The truth spills out, and justice becomes their ultimate battle. Final showdown. Lucas unveils the ice cream conspiracy, triumphing over Detective Anderson. The missing ice cream is returned, bringing joy to its fans. Resolution.